Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Honda CR-V that generation here from year 2012 to year 2016. If you guys have one of those, you need to find where the fuel injector's fuse is located. If you have problems where the CR-V does not start, stay with us. We'll explain where to find that fuse. It's actually 3 fuses. Where to buy cheap fuses and relays from, that way don't waste your money, and why it's important to test fuses and relays. All that guys will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure to stay until the end. So before we guys start, let me tell you a little bit about us. If you have that generation Honda CR-V from year 2012 to year 2016, we will make a video for every single fuse, every single relay. Why we do that? To save you time and money. Let's say you need a fuel pump relay, fuse, heated seats, anything like that guys, ignition coils, mass airflow sensor. All you have to do is just search for it, find it, look for a second, see where it's located, fix your problem. Because in the manual often even the fuses are abbreviated and they're very vague and you may not know what it means guys. But something else guys, here at the garage we're constantly working on things, constantly fixing things. Those are our main YouTube channels. We have over 1.2 million subscribers guys. We have videos that help more than 350 million people guys. So subscribe, check it out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Now another thing guys, let us show you something. That Honda has some special fuses guys. But even if you need to buy any fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping guys, okay, anything, you can see you have different kinds of relays, special fuses here, okay, those are multi-block fuses. Like this one is 11 fuses integrated in ones. That's what they look like. Let us show you quick. That's the side view, 11 individual fuses in one. This is the top view guys of the fuses. You can see right here. We'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get fuses, relays at a really good price, quick shipping as well. So let's start on it now. So 3 fuses we will need to check for the fuel injectors that are located in 2 different fuse boxes. The first fuse box guys will demonstrate on 2015 Honda CR-V. The first fuse box is located on the inside. We'll come to the driver's side right here, look under the dash above the pedals on the left side all the way up there, and you will notice guys that you have a fuse box layout that will look just like this one here. But before we guys continue, let's explain quickly why it's super important to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important guys to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. Here we need to check 1 fuse and we need to go to a second fuse box and check for 2 more fuses. If you see, you will see the numbers of the fuses next to the fuses, which makes it super convenient. And the first fuse that we need to check is fuse number 4, talking about that fuse right here, 15 amp fuse. Then under the hood, if you open the hood on your Honda CR-V guys, okay, you will notice that this is your engine car battery. That's the engine management fuse box right here. Open that cover and you will see a fuse box layout that will look just like this one here guys. Now which fuses we need to check for the fuel injectors here specifically, we're talking about fuse number 12, okay. If we zoom in a little bit, you will see it's that first fuse right here towards the windshield in that row, fuse number 12, and then you count 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. That fuse number 18 as well will need to be checked. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you next time.